Hey everyone, welcome back to Kettle Haven Ranch. I'm Steve, and we're heading out to one of our fence lines. Looks like we had a traffic accident today. Someone slid off the county road and went through our fence. Took out one of the corner posts that's railroad ties. They went right through it. So join me and out we go. Let's check it out. Okay, and since we're going out near the county road, the dogs both have their Pet Spy training collars on, and I have the controller. They know they're not allowed past the fence line. Might have to give them a wake-up warning a few times. Straight ahead of us, we've got the accident site. Holy Moses. Big question is, how fast was the guy going when he hit this? Okay, well, let's take a look at what we got. And as you can see here, went right through a railroad tie. Actually this was an H brace on the corner. Took out both of those posts. Brought the wire down. So what I'm going to have to do is unhook the T-posts that are down from the wire that's down, and then coil up the wire as best I can till we get the fence fixed, so we don't have a bunch of stray wire out here on the ground, especially with the snow coming. Alrighty, that unplanned chore is done. Now the horses have a little bit more safety if they should happen to get out of their paddocks. If they charge out across the field, they'll instinctively go for any gaps in the posts in the fence line. If there's wire on the ground, especially if it's buried in the snow, they won't see it. They can run through it, get it caught up in their legs, and the next thing you know, you're on the way to the vets and getting a lot of stitches. The best scenario. The worst scenario, you're putting a horse down. Neither one's acceptable. Okay, well that wraps up another video, quality video, from Kettle Haven Ranch. Once again, please subscribe if you like our content. There's a lot more coming. Hit that like button. That's so important with YouTube. Silly, but true. And ring the notification bell. That means you'll get updates via email whenever we post something new. Hey, thanks a lot, and Merry Christmas. Depending on what time of year you're looking at this. But for us, it's the 18th of December, 2019. Everyone take care and have a safe holiday season.